साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात्। ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात्। ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात्।
शुक्लाम्बरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये अगजानन पद्मार्कं गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानां एकदन्तमुपास्महे। एकदन्तम् उपास्महे। पाहि गजानन दीनावना पाहि गजानन दीनावना सिन्दूरवदना श्रितजनपालना पाहि गजानन दीनावना अंबिकतनया अमराधीश्वर अंबिकतनया अमराधीश्वर अगणित गुणगण आनन्ददायक अगणित गुणगण आनन्ददायक पाहि गजानन दीनावना सिन्दूरवदना श्रितजनपालना नारायक अगणित गुणगण आनन्ददायक पाहि गजानन दीनावना महादेवा महेश्वरा साई नारायणा महादेवा महेश्वरा साई नारायणा महादेवा महेश्वरा साई नारायणा महादेवा महेश्वरा साई नारायणा नटनागरा दुःखभञ्जना साई नारायणा नटनागरा दुःखभञ्जना साई नारायणा नटनागरा दुःखभञ्जना साई नारायणा करुणाकरा अखिलेश्वरा साई नारायणा करुणाकरा अखिलेश्वरा साई नारायणा करुणाकरा अखिलेश्वरा साई नारायणा अल्लाह तुम महावीर येशु साई नारायणा अल्लाह तुम महावीर येशु साई नारायणा हृदयेश्वरा परमेश्वरा साई नारायणा हृदयेश्वरा परमेश्वरा साई नारायणा हृदयेश्वरा परमेश्वरा साई नारायणा देवा महेश्वरा साई नारायणा महादेवा महेश्वरा साई नारायणा नटनागरा दुःखभञ्जना साई नारायणा अखिलेश्वर साई नारायण अल्लाह तुम महावीर यीशु साई नारायण अल्लाह तुम महावीर यीशु साई नारायण हृदयेश्वरा परतीश्वरा साई नारायण हृदयेश्वरा परतीश्वरा साई नारायण हृदयेश्वरा परतीश्वरा साई नारायण महादेवा महेश्वरा साई नारायण जगदम्बे देवी भवानी जगदम्बे देवी भवानी जगदम्बे देवी भवानी जगदम्बे देवी भवानी जगन्माते शक्ति दुर्गे 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 जगदम्बे देवी भवानी जगदम्बे देवी भवानी कुमार गणनाथांबा कल्याणी श्यामलांबा उमा महेश्वरी कलावती
जगन्माते शक्ति दुर्गे
जगन्माते शक्ति दुर्गे
जगन्माते शक्ति दुर्गे
जगन्माते शक्ति दुर्गे
जगदम्बे देवी भवानी
जगदम्बे देवी भवानी
जगन्माते शक्ति दुर्गे
जगन्माते शक्ति दुर्गे
जगन्माते शक्ति दुर्गे
जगन्माते शक्ति दुर्गे
जगदम्बे देवी भवानी
जगदम्बे देवी भवानी
कुमार गणनाथाम्बा कल्याणी श्यामलाम्बा
कुमार गणनाथाम्बा कल्याणी श्यामलाम्बा
जननी दुर्गे वरदे माता
जननी दुर्गे वरदे माता
उमा महेश्वरी कलावती
उमा महेश्वरी कलावती
जगन्माते शक्ति दुर्गे
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 जगदम्बे देवी भवानी कृष्ण राम गोविन्द गोकुलनन्दन गोपाल
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 राम कृष्ण गोविन्द जय वृन्दावन गोपाल
कृष्ण गोविन्द जय वृन्दावन गोपाल
राम कृष्ण गोविन्द जय वृन्दावन गोपाल
राम कृष्ण गोविन्द जय वृन्दावन गोपाल
साई कृष्ण गोविन्द पर्तिपुरीश्वर गोपाल
साई कृष्ण गोविन्द पर्तिपुरेश्वर गोपाल
साई कृष्ण गोविन्द पर्तिपुरीश्वर गोपाल
साई कृष्ण गोविन्द पर्तिपुरेश्वर
गोपाला
रामकृष्ण गोविन्द जय वृन्दावन गोपाला
साई कृष्ण गोविन्द पर्तिपुरेश्वर गोपाला
साई कृष्ण गोविन्द पर्तिपुरेश्वर गोपाला
गोपाला साई गोपाला
गोपाला साई गोपाला
गोपाला साई गोपाला
गोपाला साई गोपाला
गोपी मनोहर गोकुल बाला साई मुरारी
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 कृष्ण राम गोविन्द गोकुल नन्दन गोपाला परति विहारा पाप विदूरा
विहारा पाप विदूरा
परति विहारा पाप विदूरा
विहारा पाप विदूरा
पावन चरणा साई नारायण
पावन चरणा साई नारायण
पावन चरणा साई नारायण
पावन चरणा साई नारायण
अल्लाह तुम हो यीशु तुम हो
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 सबके मालिक साई 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 तुम हो
बुद्ध ज़ोराष्ट्र नानक तुम हो बुद्ध ज़ोराष्ट्र नानक तुम हो तुम हो बाबा अंतर्यामी तुम हो बाबा अंतर्यामी सब भक्तों के पालनहारे
सब भक्तों के पालनहारे
सब भक्तों के पालनहारे
सब भक्तों के पालनहारे
कलियुग अवतारा साई नारायण
कलियुग अवतारा साई नारायण
कलियुग अवतारा साई नारायण
कलियुग
पालनहारे
सब भक्तों के पालनहारे
कलियुग अवतारा साई नारायण
कलियुग अवतारा साई नारायण
कलियुग अवतारा साई नारायण
कलियुग अवतारा साई नारायण परति विहारा पाप विदूरा शिव महेश्वरा शिव महेश्वरा शिव महेश्वरा साई राम 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 शिव महेश्वरा शिव शंकरा शिव महादेवा 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 साई राम कैलासवासा महादेवा कैलासवासा महादेवा कैलासवासा महादेवा कैलासवासा महादेवा जगदीश्वर हर महादेवा जगदीश्वर हर महादेवा जगदीश्वर हर महादेवा जगदीश्वर हर महादेवा त्रिभुवन पाल बाबा साई देवा 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 शिव महेश्वरा शिव महेश्वरा शिव महेश्वरा साई राम शिव महेश्वरा शिव महेश्वरा शिव महेश्वरा साई राम शिव महेश्वरा शिव शंकरा शिव महादेवा साई राम शिव महेश्वरा शिव शंकरा शिव महादेवा साई राम कैलासवासा महादेवा कैलासवासा महादेवा जगदीश्वर हर महादेवा जगदीश्वर हर महादेवा त्रिभुवन पाल बाबा साई देवा 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 शिव महेश्वरा शिव महेश्वरा शिव महेश्वरा साई राम
नंदलाला यदु नंदलाला वृंदावन गोविंद लाला नंदलाला यदु नंदलाला वृंदावन गोविंद लाला नंदलाला राधा लोला नंद लाला राधा लोला राधा माधव नंद लाला नंद लाला यदु नंद लाला वृंदावन गोविंद लाला नंद राधा लोला नंद लाला राधा लोला राधा माधव नंद लाला नंदन नंदना नंद चंदना नंदन नंदना नंद चंदना आनंद चंदना गोपी गोपालना आनंद आनंद चंदना गोपी गोपालना आनंद नंदन नंदना आनंद चंदना जय नंदन नंदना आनंद चंदना नंद लाला अदु नंद लाला वृंदावन गोविंद लाला नंद लाला नंद लाला यदु नंद लाला वृंदावन गोविंद लाला वृंदावन गोविंद लाला वृंदावन वृंदावन गोविंद लाला नंद लाला यदु नंद लाला वृंदावन गोविंद लाला.
Lieutenant General Dr. Madhuri Kanitkar, decorated with Visisht, Ati Visisht and Param Visisht Seva medals of the Indian Armed Forces, last served as India's Deputy Chief of Integrated Defence Staff, Medical Wing. Currently, she is a member of the Prime Minister's Science, Technology and Innovation Advisory Council and also serves as the Vice Chancellor of Maharashtra University of Health Sciences, based at Nasik. In June 2025, she delivered the keynote address at the Global Medical Conference held at Prashanthi Nilayam. Soon after, she shared her reflections with the media center.
I think you said I'm exuding, positive vibes. I think it's the place. It's the place, the aura, the beautiful bonding that you feel here recharges your batteries and energizes you like nothing ever.
And madam, how was it when you stepped into Prashanthi Nilayam?
Sudden peace and quiet. And it was so beautiful because there was just love all over. Whether it was the girls from the nursing college who, on everyone's face, which is that peace and happiness which comes from within, that is lacking today in society. When you go out and meet people, everyone is always stressed, always thakawa, always on mobile phones. So it was really nice to get away from all that and come to a place where I feel it all began with this place where, having been lucky, because my mother was a devotee, so we were brought up with, value systems, beliefs, coming down to Parthi, we had Whitefield, ज़्यादा जाते थे. So I think I just feel I'm lucky to have all that. So many people don't get this opportunity.
So you have had the chance to see Swami and be with Swami. Can you please take us back to those memories?
It was, I think I was in 6th or 7th standard, and I still remember my mother's cousin. He was getting married. Baba was doing the wedding ceremony, and he's one of the trustees, Nagesh Thakappa. So he's my mother's first cousin. So it was his marriage, So we were to come, and the whole family was against. My father was in Japan. He was not in India, and the grandparents were totally against because railway strike chal rahi thi. But my mother was hell bent ki Baba is doing the wedding, or we are going to be able to be so close. So and we were we'd been going through Bal Vikas, all the classes. She said, nothing doing. And on the day that the wedding was there, the day before that, the first train ran from Pune to Bangalore. And those days it was broad gauge, then meter gauge, change karo. But it ran with full police escorts. And there was mother and us 3 daughters. She travelled because she was so sure that Baba will get her there. And we actually reached here, and it was a moving, of course, Pad Namaskar, we got everything, we got to hear. But what moved us all, and we were kids, we didn't understand, but my mom broke into tears because Baba said, "Pahunch gayi, I knew you wanted to come, and I had to do a lot to make sure you reached here." I mean, it was out of the blue. No one knew that how, railway strike chal raha hai, ek train chalti hai, police escort ke saath trial run, and we are in that train and we reached here. So I think these were small things. I used to have a lot of problems with my feet. Mother had been fed up. And then she was very worried because those days, Whitefield had that red soil. It was not so well constructed. And we were barefoot walking around, and I used to get those cracks and dry feet. So my mother was you'll have a lot of problems, but she said, doesn't matter. Baba ke yahan hai. And I don't know what it was, but yes, there were a lot of dirt and lot this. But I went back and it all healed, and I never got those cracks again in life. I mean, these were some absolute scientific mind can't explain this, right? But it's happened. So that is why I had an older son, and I was carrying my daughter, and I went to my mother. I said, I'm good news, I'm expecting a baby. She said, Baba ki Vibhuti aane do. So I told her then ki beti hogi to naam Vibhuti hogi, and my daughter's name is Vibhuti. So these are, small where the life gets entwined. But I think this is a way of bringing you into a larger purpose in life. I had no one in the armed forces. Why I was tuned to, no, I have to join the armed forces, I have to do this. Along the way, I was given opportunities to come out and serve with pride in various forms. So I'm not one of those who does fasts, puja part, but mother would always say, Baba kehte hai, work is worship, duty is devotion. And I followed that to the T in my entire life. Never waited for awards, never waited for reward, but so much have come my way that it has to be a divine intervention. So many people are working, but why am I chosen to be given Param Vishishta Seva, Ati Vishishta? I mean, there's so many people in the army. But, and I never ever imagined I would become a Lieutenant General, or come and get a member on the Prime Minister's Scientific Advisory Council. So these are things which can't be explained unless there's a larger picture, a divine intervention, which is giving me a lot more than I think I deserve.
So you never thought that you would actually be in armed forces, isn't it? No one in your family is in armed forces.
No. But I just went to see AFMC, and I love the discipline. And I think, we just spoke about discipline. I mean, I think that was what was ingrained, because whether it was Bal Vikas class, whether it was home, these value systems which came in, which you can call it Baba's grace, but basic samskars, basic respect for elders, all these things which were ingrained into us. And when I saw AFMC versus another medical college, I found it totally lacking outside. And it was just that one thing that I want to be like this. And I fought with at home, said, "Meko army join karna hai." I mean, in 70s, for girls to go and join the army was not and especially if she's a CBSE topper, parents don't easily let you go to the army. But they did. And the rest is history, that one landed up becoming the third woman and the first from Maharashtra to land up becoming a Lieutenant General. And then everywhere, it was never that I have to just do something for the sake of. I mean, why did I get into the ideas of getting into a specialty? There were tough times. I would not get what I wanted. Being in the armed forces and as a lady wasn't easy. But always some solutions came away. Even as part of me, if there were very tough patients, tough these things, I would just close my eyes before, even for a kidney biopsy, I'm a nephrologist. I'd just close my eyes and, Sai Ram. And I mean, there were never any problems. So I feel there is a divine power, a divine thing which guides me along to achieve this.
And you have so palpably felt the unseen hand of God in your life.
Absolutely. Absolutely. And that is why today, as a Vice Chancellor, I'm fighting for how do you bring religion, spirituality, faith, belief, and value systems which is out of curriculum. We are producing robos as doctors. We need compassion. And a system like this, when I went to see that hospital and Dr. Sundar said, we'd like you to come, I didn't think I was giving a keynote chief. I said, if you call me, I'm coming. That means there is a reason I'm going to come and share my experience, and then everything else just worked out. But I feel this is a system which needs to be upscaled. How do we reach out? Because evil will always be there, wrongs will always be there. But it is finally the Satyameva Jayate. And if there are enough number of people doing it and spreading that, the quality of service, the ethos. When you go to one of the hospitals of the Sai healthcare system hospital, I've seen the Whitefield, I've seen the General Hospital, I've seen the super speciality. It's not a hospital, it's a temple. You feel the same feeling that when you're entering a temple. Why can't all hospitals be like that? The only reason is, it's not that it's neat, clean, beautiful. Yes, that is important. But it is the vibe. It is the positive energy and the bhakti bhav which even the doctors bring in, because it's voluntary. They come in with positivity, which translates into work. And there is scientific evidence. Now I'll talk like a scientist. I mean, your immune systems, your higher these things, neuroendocrine systems, they're controlled by your feelings, your emotions. It's being scientifically proved. So cannot we take this model and implement it, maybe in small measures? Everyone cannot be at the top, but let's make a difference of how, and let's think, even in my talk just now, I said that this needs to get out. And how can we, all kids are in this country of where 65% of our population is below 35 years of age. All are not lucky to have come into the fold. It may be Sai Dharma, it could be some other mission, but positivity, thinking of nation first, going beyond I, me and myself, going beyond social media and scrolling. Are we giving children value systems and a purpose in life? We have to catch them young. And I think that's where all of us have to work.
When you think of it, you are in a sweet spot, madam. You have the opportunity to mold minds, and you are a doctor too.
Yes.
Bhagwan spent most of his physical sojourn taking these two disciplines, education and medicine, back to their roots.
Absolutely. That's why I ended my talk by saying that I feel very humbled that the three aspects, the disciplines of the organization of Sai, this thing, and the military, the education and my role as a teacher, the health and my role as a doctor. So I said, I'm blessed that in one life, Bhagwan gave me an opportunity to wear three hats of a doctor, a soldier, and a teacher. So that is why I feel this is divine intervention. Many get this, many may get it, but giving me the opportunity to use it to the best possible. And when I retired, again, I think it was divine intervention. Today, everyone's coming to the university to see how did I transform it in 3 years. So I said, I don't think it was humanly possible for me, but we did it together. But the basic thing that why did that vacancy come up? I was retiring. I literally 31st October I retired, and 1st November the governor, he had appointed me 3 months earlier. And 1st November, against much resistance, because there's always a political thing for these posts, and I had no clue of state, the issues which come up in a state government. But I was appointed, and 31st October I flew down from Delhi, and 1st November morning I was the Vice Chancellor. So I went there, I said, there's some reason I've been put here. So I looked at it as to what is the difference I can do sitting on this chair. How can I give back? And these were the three roles that came in handy while planning the vision document and transforming the university.
Beautiful. If you see Bhagwan's mission today, even after he left his physical form, it is going on, and in fact, it is growing.
Absolutely. I mean, look at it, 70 years of this health thing, and it's becoming bigger than ever before. So I feel there is, even Gita has said, yada yada hi dharmasya glanir bhavati bharata. I feel we have reached the bottom and the country is rising. And this organization is going to have a huge role in developing and taking us. I mean, even if the Prime Minister has this vision of a Viksit Bharat, he can't do it alone. He needs organizations and people like us who work for that mission and take that message to implementation level. The government can't do it. It is only the people who can do it. And that is why I'm convinced that this organization will continue to, because the people who once come under its fold, they are transformed for life and they are a force multiplier when they go into any walk of life. Today, Niti Aayog has, Dr. Shah. I know so many people across who are doing their bit in that and bringing about a change and contributing, because this friend, I met him at one of the meetings and we hit off. He sends me every Thursday a, Baba's clip of this because he's studied in the school here. So you keep meeting, linking up, and those connections become force multipliers. So what Baba has created is not that, it was not about him being there or not being there. He's created a generation, a mindset which is going to continue with this because of the value systems that have been instilled in us.
Madam, you mentioned about Viksit Bharat. Can I ask you, how do you feel such institutions contribute to a Viksit Bharat?
Absolutely.
Actually, to me, it seems like this is one of the best times to be in India.
Absolutely. And I tell this to every youngster, everyone who wants to give the US Emily. I said, you'll be stumped if you go to Trump. You stay back here. Because this is the time, it can't be better. We have the youngest population. We are rapidly growing economy. And for once, our leadership is talking of basic things like health, education, hygiene, Swachh Bharat. We've never talked about these things. And there are organizations like this which have been doing it for so many. So when you want to transform, you need that experience and expertise to come into and be a force multiplier. You need leaders, but you also need that that the model which is working has to get into a recognition and be replicated and transforming places. So if you're talking of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, and I saw it's written on this Hira Auditorium's entry also, and it was the G20 theme. So aren't we going back to our roots? So in that, those who are novices, and I spoke just now that they need a map and beyond Google Map. And who's this map? In my talk, I said this map is a mentor, someone to show them the way, develop an attitude of never say die or give up, and a passion. You see that in everyone here. So everyone who's part of this has to go out and see how can I make a difference to at least 100 others. We are the maps, isn't it? So that's how Viksit Bharat also needs a map. At the age of 65, I still exude the energy and I can still run 5 kilometers. Baba says a healthy, fit mind in a fit body. Yes. The youth needs that. The youth is ready to. They don't have role models. Exactly. They're seeing so much negativity. Why was I in Nanded? I go across the state. I go to all the remote places instilling positivity and telling them that the youth is what's going to change the country, not this thing. We can support you, but you have to start thinking what I want to do. Don't wait for someone else to come and do it for you. What can I do to start a chain reaction?
ॐ जय जगदीश हरे स्वामी सत्य साई हरे भक्त जना संरक्षक भक्त जना संरक्षक पति महेश्वरा ॐ जय जगदीश हरे शशिवदना श्रीकरा सर्वा प्राणपते स्वामी सर्वा प्राणपते आश्रित कल्पलतिका आश्रित कल्पलतिका आपदान्धवा ॐ जय जगदीश हरे मातपिता गुरुदैवमु मरि अन्तयु नीवे स्वामी मरि अन्तयु नीवे नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ नागेन्द्रशयना ॐ जय जगदीश हरे ओंकार रूप ओजस्वी हो साई महादेवा सत्य साई महादेवा मंगल आरती अंधुको मंगल आरती अंधुको मंगल गिरिधारी ओम जय जगदीश हरे नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा शांति 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 समस्त लोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः जय बोलो भगवान श्री सत्य साई बाबा जी की